Hi students, good morning to all. Today we'll discuss the subject 8th standard English Unit 7 Supplementary, the mystery of the cyber friend. First we see the glossary. Nap, to sleep for a short period of time. Friends net, website in internet where one can meet and talk to different people. Wonder, surprised. Offline, computer not connect to internet. Computer not connect to internet. These are the section 1 glossaries. Again, nap, to sleep for a short period of time. Friendsnet, website in internet where one can meet and talk to different people. Wonder, surprised. Offline, computer not connect to internet. Now we see the summary of the section 1, the mystery of the cyber friend. Shri lived in an apartment with her father, mother and aunt. Shri lived in an apartment with her father, mother and aunt. They were lived in Katpadi Junction. Amma works in an jewelry shop. Amma works in an jewelry shop. Appa works as a taxi driver. Shri lived in an apartment in a small town called Katpadi with her father, mother and aunt. Her mother works in an jewelry shop. Her father works as a taxi driver. Her parents want her to learn computer. Her parents want her to learn computers, so they were pleased with her. When she used it, the computer is Sri's friend. She always find time for it. She uses it to find information. She used to find information for school project and send emails. Sri aunt also stay with them. Everyone calls her Akka. Most of the time she snaps in front of the TV. That shows her favorite old films. She always sit in front of the TV and saw the old favorite movies. She gives Sri hot dosa stuffed with spicy noodles. Sri gives Sri hot dosa and stuffed with the spicy noodles. After tiffin, Sri likes to play. Not the traditional games that Akka likes to play. But that is not the traditional play. Akka likes to play with stones and shells. In Tamil we can say in Anjangal. It as an Anjangal. Sri likes to play games on the computer. The computer does not just have games. It also has Friendsnet. In that computer there is no the games, so she is find Friendsnet. Sri joined in 2 months ago on her 30th birthday. 2 months ago, on her 13th birthday, after snacks and tea, she chat with her school friends. She chat with her school friends with FriendsNet. She chat with her school friends through FriendsNet. They tell each other what they did since they met last on the school bus. Sri says that got extra sugar with her tea. Sri says that she got extra sugar with her tea. One friend says that you get every day. Sri says, and I also got mutton flavored noodles with my dosa. She always ate her favored mutton flavored noodles with my dosa. Another friend teases, do you do anything other than eating? In FriendsNet, one friend asked to her, do you do anything other than eating? Sri gets angry. She decides to unfriend them because most of the friends are irritating her every time. So she decided to unfriend them. Afterwards, she misses them. But before she can tell them she is sorry, she gets a new friend request. Now is the point going on here. She gets a new friend request. It is a girl called Chaitra. The new friend's name is Chaitra. She is very pretty, like a film star. She is so pretty. Like a film star. Sri clicks accept. One click and they become friends. Chaitra types, do you have many friends? Chaitra asked the question to Sri, do you have many friends? No, and I lost a few friends today. Sri answered to Chaitra, no, and I lost a few friends today because some of them are irritating her. So she decided to unfriend them. She adds a sad face emoticon means emotions. So what? It really doesn't matter how many friends you have. It is the nature of our friendship that matters. And you have me now. She told Sri that she was studying in a school which was near to her school. Because it is near my school. That's nice. Then we can meet. Type Sri. Chaitra signs off, yes. And we will be best friends forever. Bye. Chaitra signs off, yes. And we will be best friends forever. Bye. One day, a new friend suggestions her to accept her. Sri accepted her and chatted with her. To Chaitra, her name was Chaitra. She told Sri that Sri was studying in a school which was near to her school. The next morning, Sri looks for school near hers, but she can't see one. It is a little strange that she hasn't heard of any other school nearby. She is searching when she crossing her school, but there is no near of any schools. That was strange to her. But Chaitra is nicer than all her other friends. because they are all irritating her, but she is speak with her very closely and very friendly, politely. She is Sri's special friend and nobody else friends. She consider her to be her special friend. Today she doesn't touch her hot noodles though they are her favorite flavor chili chicken. Akka wonder what is wrong? Are you feeling unwell? Are you? Akka asked the question to Sri. Are you feeling unwell? Too much schoolwork, lies Sri. Sri says lies. Lies in here. She have too much of work, schoolwork. Then go and finish your homework when I take my nap. Say her aunt. Go and finish your homework. Then when I take my nap, says her aunt. But Sri doesn't do her homework. But Sri doesn't do her homework. Instead, she starts the computer, goes on online, and waits for her new friend to ping her. Soon she gets a message from Chaitra. She is not interested to do any homeworks because she want to interrupt with her new friend. Interrupt with your new friend, so she is waiting on online in computer. Soon she get a message from Chaitra. Hello friend, how are you today? I am fine. I didn't eat my tiffin. Type 3. I didn't eat my tiffin. Type 3. Why? Types Chaitra. Because I want to talk to you. So I finished tea quickly. Types 3. I am interested to talk with you. So I finished tea quickly. Great. Now can you send me a selfie and give me your number so I can call you? Type Chaitra. Very good. I am eagerly waiting. Can you send me a selfie and give me your number so I can call you? Type Chaitra. Suddenly, she expressed her views. Sri expressed her views. I don't have a camera phone. Type Sri and feels sad. She expressed her sad views in here. I don't have a camera phone. Chaitra offers to give Sri her old camera phone. Suddenly Chaitra gives her views. She gives her old camera phone to Sri. Chaitra asks, on Sunday, shall we meet her at the railway station? Chaitra decided when the Bangalore train reaches there. Let us meet on Sunday, then I will take your snap and give you my old phone. Sri has always wished for a phone with a camera. She types, where shall we meet? On Sunday, they are conversation in here. On Sunday, shall we meet on the railway station? Sri asks, what time? Chaitra decided when the Bengaluru train reaches there. When the Bangalore train reaches on the railway station, that time we meet on the railway station. Akka comes into the room just then to clean it. What are you doing, Sri? Akka asks the questions to Sri. What are you doing, Sri? I have a new friend, Akka. I have a new friend, Akka. Akka looks over Sri's shoulder at Chaitra profile picture. But that's the film actor Madhu. Is she your friend? Akka asked question. she is your friend? Because that is not Chaitra. That is a film actress Madhu. Yes, but her name is Chaitra. Akka laughs and shake her head. No, no. Akka laughs and shake her head. That's Madhu. I have seen all her films. That is Madhu. I have seen all her films. She must be so old now. She is so old now. She is the same age as me. That actress same age as me. The I'm saying here. No, no. She is as old as I am, says Akka. No, no. She is as old as I am, says Akka. That snap was taken when she was still in school. It is from her first movie. She is angry with Akka, then stopped to think, is Chaitra using someone else's picture, a film star? How old are you? She types. I told you I am 13, the same age as you, Chaitra types back. She replied, that is good. Best friends should be the same age. Hey, the herring in your profile picture are so pretty. Type Sri. Thanks, I made them myself. Wow. Wear them when we meet tomorrow. Okay, but only if you come alone, say Chaitra. Her aunt saw Chaitra's profile picture. She told Sri that it was actually the picture of her favorite heroine Madhu. It was not the picture of Chaitra. Sri could not find any school near her school. Chaitra had also asked Sri to come to the railway station all alone. All these things created suspicious in Sri about Chaitra. Now we see the section 2 glossary. Shriek, to scream as in a sudden fright. Imposter, someone who attempts to deceive by using an assumed name or identity. Confide, to trust. Cyber safety, safe and responsible use of phone and the internet. We want to use the phones with very safe. Cyber crime, criminal activities doing using computers or the internet. Who are using the criminal activities in using computers, that is that cyber crime. Scary, frightening. Scary, frightening. Again the glossary. Shriek, to scream as in a sudden fright. Imposter, someone who attempts to deceive. Someone who attempts deceive by using an assumed name or identity. Confide, to trust. Cyber safety, safe and responsible use of phone and the internet. Cyber crime, criminal activities done using computers or the internet. Scary, frightening. Now we see the section 2 line by line with the summary. Sri is very confused and cannot focus on her homework. After hearing of Ant's words, Sri is very confused and she couldn't focus on her homework. Akka, she has, yes, my dear, says Akka. What is worrying you? Why are you worrying in here? Sri decided to be honest. Sri decided to be honest and tells her all about her new friend who is lying. She decided to tell her everything about her new friend who is lying. Akka, what should I do? What I want to do? The next day, Sri and Akka reached Katpadi Junction much before the arrival of Bengaluru Express. They have secret plan to find out if the new friend is honest or not. Akka says, I will go and talk to the station manager so he can help us. The train from Bengaluru is coming in. Sri looks all around. She cannot remember whether Chaitra had asked her to wait inside the station or outside. Where did Akka go? She can't see her anywhere. Many passengers come out of the train. None look like Chaitra. A man who is her father's age walks towards Sri. He is smiling. Hello, Sri. Sri is shocked. She doesn't know him. It is so nice to see you. He says, who are you? You are not Chaitra? Shudders Sri. No, but I am an uncle and would like to be your friend. Sri, I like to make friends with young girls, says the uncle who is not Chaitra. Sri was very confused and couldn't focus on her homework. She informed about Chaitra to her aunt. The next day, Sri aunt accompanied Sri to the railway station. She informed the station manager and waited to see who would come to see Sri. A man who was a father of her age met her. Man who was father of her age met her. She tried to convince Sri that she was an uncle and she would like to be her friend. He Shriek Sri. Akka is beside her in a second along with the station manager. The uncle, who is not Chaitra, is surprised. He didn't expect that Sri would bring two grown up with her. Sri is not believed. Sri is come accompanied with the two grown up with her. Akka hits him with her handbag. Then she yells, "Don't you dare come near my niece!" "Whoa!" he cries. Just then the trains move. He runs towards a bogie door. The station manager rushes forward to catch the man, but he disappears into the crowded train. Sri aunt hit the man with her handbag. The station manager tried to catch him, but he disappeared into the crowded train. They went to the police station. They all go to the police station. "You are a brave pair," says a policewoman. The policewoman praised them. "Thank you for informing about this impostor. Sri, you were clever to confide in a trusted adult. Will you put up the poster about cyber security in your school, please?" The policewoman praised them and told Sri, "Put up a poster about cyber security in our school." She says an expert from the cybercrime cell will need to take a look Sri's computer. Next day, a cyber crime officer went through Sri's computer. Next day, a cyber officer goes through Sri's computer. Within hour, the police find the man who pretended to be Chaitra. They nab him from the office in Bengaluru and find that he has been trying to befriend many young girls and boys on social media. Sri decided to only have friends from her own school. She can't wait to tell her friends about her scary adventure with her cyber friend. Next day, a cybercrime officer went through Sri's computer. Within her, The police found the man who pretended to be Chaitra. They nabbed him from the office in Bengaluru. They found that he had been trying to befriend many young girls and boys on social media. Sri waited eagerly to tell her friends about her frightening adventure with her cyber friend. So, students, you want to be aware about the cyber crime. When you are using the mobiles, be safely use it. That don't share your pictures, don't share your family photos, don't share your personal details. At the same time, if there anybody new friends give the suggestions to you to accept your friend request, don't click on that new friend suggestions. Whether you know them, whether you know that is your friend, you can give the accept. Mystery of the cyber friend. Okay, students. Now again the summary of section 1 and section 2. Sri lived in an apartment with her father, mother, and aunt. Her parents wanted her to learn computers, so they were pleased with her. When she used it, she used to find information for school project and send emails. 2 months ago, on her 13th birthday, she joined the FriendNet on the computer. She used to chat with her friends every day. One day, a new friend requested her to accept her. Sri accepted her and chatted with her. Her name was Chaitra. She told Sri that she was studying in a school which was near to her school. Sri considered her to be her special friend. On a Sunday, Chaitra asked her to meet her at the railway station. Her aunt saw Chaitra's profile picture. She told Sri that it was actually the picture of her favorite heroine Madhu. She was near my age. It was not the picture of Chaitra. Sri could not find any school near her school. Chaitra had also asked Sri to come to the railway station all alone. All these things created suspicious in Sri about Chaitra. This is the section 1 of that summary. Now we go for the section 2 summary. After hearing the aunt words, Sri was very confused and couldn't focus on her homework. Sri informed about Chaitra to her, and the next day Sri and accompanied Sri to the railway station. She informed the station manager and waited to see who could come to see Sri. A man who was of her father's age met her. He tried to convince Sri that he was an uncle and he would like to befriend. Sri's aunt hit the man with her handbag. The station manager tried to catch him, but he disappeared into the crowded train. They went to the police station. The policewoman praised them and told Sri to put up a poster about cyber security in her school. Next day, a cyber crime officer went through Sri's computer within an hour. The police found the man who pretended to be Chaitra. They nabbed him from his office in Bengaluru. They found that he had been trying to befriend many young girls and boys on social media. Sri waited eagerly to tell her friends about her frightening adventure with her cyber friend. This is the summary of the section 2, the mystery of the cyber friend. Thank you, student. See the video. We see in the next class.